1971. January, Gary Barlow's born. February, it's Decimal Day. The UK first changed to the decimal currency. June, the first Hard Rock Cafe opens in London on Hyde Park Corner. And then in September, our little Fiat 500's born. Recently, we've lost track of what a small car really is. Our classic Fiat 500 is just 275mm long and just 470 kilograms. Our stunning example was done just 56,000 miles over its 2 careful owners and comes with the original receipt for £610. What you'll notice straight away is the stripped back nature of the cabin. There's more dials and buttons in many motorcycles, but it doesn't take away from the enjoyment. In the rear is an air-cooled 2-cylinder engine mounted in the back the same way as the Beetle. This car has a grand total of 13 horsepower. The stopwatch says this car's slow, taking almost half a minute to get to 50 miles per hour. But who cares about the speed when it puts this much of a smile on your face? If you wanted any more information, then head to mantiscars.co.uk and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Cheers for watching!